Hello everyone, I'm Trevor Yeung. So this is the Pavilion of Regret. So there's a two way that you can put it in the planter. The first one, you can take your plants directly from the pots that you come with. Then you just use the tools that we provide. You take a hole in the planter. You put it here. And then you grow the plants here. Then it will start to grow. And if you have plants that they all, because sometimes you can see some of the empty pots here, you can just directly to put your plants into the pots. So if some people they come, they will just take the plants with them directly. So if you see a plant that you want to take it home or you want to rescue, then you just come with your own plastic bag. You choose the one. If they are with a pot with itself, you just take the pots directly up from the planter. You have to be careful, and then you just directly put it back. Right, then you can take it home with you. And if the plants that they don't have like a planter, then you can use the tool we provided in here. So for example, you can like just take it without the pot and put it in your plastic bag, and then you just bring it home with you.